Okay, my team talk about the global warming and the environment. The environment is everything to affect the life, and especially affects the life of the persons. And in the society, is a set of natural, social, and cultural this that exists in one place and one point. They influence human life and next generations. It's not just to the space in which unfolds, but also life begins. The World Environment Day is celebrated on June 5.
Global warming. Global warming is the phenomenon that occurs when increases in global average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans. It is caused by many factors. Greenhouse in is a phenomenon referred to absorption of atmospheric gas from the ground energy emitted as a result of being heated by solar radiation. In road case, use of fossil fuels, coal and oil as energy resource in industry and transport, fire forests and plant combustible materials, wood bases 500 million tons of carbon per year, decomposition garbage. Impact growing water level that polarize, which will cause the disappearance of the New Lands, the southern states of Florida and San Francisco Bay in the USA, and around Beijing and Shanghai in China, increase in respiratory, cardiovascular, and infections diseases caused by mosquitoes and tropical pests, besides procession and dehydration due to heat. Strong of food crops of crops to the difficulties of the affected soil and high temperatures, increasing demand of water. Impact of global warming in Mexico. The threat of climate change is already part of our present. Countries like Mexico will be most affected by this phenomenon. Parts of climate change for Mexico are alarming because the country lacks the resources to comfort and diffuse the impact of this phenomenon, in addition to having a high social, economic, and political vulnerability. The relationship between environment, energy, and economies have been present in recent years as a result of the process of economic development, energy, and the environmental crisis and criticisms of epistemological propositions of the science and the change they are making. I, as an economist, I will be a world leader in creating comfortable, sustainable, and efficient environments to provide the investigate money in the research and the development over the next 5 years to finance the reduction in emissions of the greenhouse uh, gas in a long term.
The relationship about the civil engineer and environment is civil engineer is one of main events affects the extinction of the green areas, but it's also responsible to the creation of irrigation canals and produce food.
Health indices in human beings, so outcome three interactive elements. Environment factors, susceptibility, guide, and the age is concerned with disease and disorders that result from environment factors. Specialties in environment medicine involved in a wide range of activities in their search for answers regarding how the environment affects our health.
We conclude to danger of global warming. Rising temperatures around the world means dangers. Autumn is the being able to urge of some solutions has been not fully definitive because the consequences are already present in the environment and therefore will be very difficult and complicated to take a real solution. It is important to raise awareness to prevent greenhouse to major world powers like the United States. Individual countries with the most danger is the atmosphere because there are among to few countries and not compared with the international agreement for the sentiments of the phenomenon climatologic.
People should be aware of what is happening on our planet.